Just say you should know. I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I could take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you.
Hello everyone, I will be traveling alone today. Lang kasama. It's just me, myself, and I. And maaga pa naman. 11 o'clock pa lang and yung flight ko is at 12:55. Okay lang, manonood muna ako. Well, waiting for my flight. Beautiful. It's already 5:43 p.m. and we are eating dinner. Finally guys, I am not alone anymore because I am with my auntie. This is our food guys. Ito ay dim sum. Ano ba to? Dim sum siomai, spring rolls. Mine is beef with broccoli. Yung sa kanya is lemon chicken. Yan. Good morning guys! We are here sa NAIA Terminal 3. By the way guys, our flight is at... Anong oras ang flight natin? 7:55 and early pa naman kami. Gutom na ako guys! Mag-breakfast muna kami. It's already 5:58. I hope you can hear me. I wasn't able to update yung kanina pero we already bought our breakfast. Doon na siya sa auntie ko. Sa Jollibee lang kami nag-order and then tapos na din kami mag-security check and now we're going naman sa aming gate. Nag-text na sa akin yung sa back. Our gate is at 133B. Ayan.
Double check your boarding pass and kindly ready your boarding pass and physical ID ready for scanning at the gate. Once again, we're only accepting guests under boarding group number 1 together with priority guests.
We are now boarding guys and nasa loob na kami ng shuttle bus. Just landed here sa Dumaguete Airport. Sobrang init.
or nag-online yung ticket niyo, ma'am, no?
Opo. Dahil medyo delay yung flight namin, boarding na ulit kami for our, ano ba tawag mo? For our trip. By the way guys, required i-check in yung mga maleta. So, I paid 70 pesos, ang mahal. We are here guys. Ang ganda talaga ng tubig sa port nila. Totoo ang chismis. It's clear. Crystal clear. Ang ganda ng water guys. Look. Diba? Blue na blue siya. Ayun yung sinakyan namin. Ocean Jet. Ayan. And we're finally here in Siquijor. Let's go. Init guys. Ayan. We visited yung church. Sobrang init. Hello everyone! Tapos na pala kami kumain ng aming, ano ba yun? Merienda, pero rice. Ayan. Rate mo yung food mo. Yung food natin.
Yung sinigang 10/10.
Yes, masarap.
Pero yung
Actually.
sisig, kulang sa crispy.
Maganda kasi ay masarap kapag crispy yung ano eh.
yung sisig. Pero masarap.
And guys, AirPods ako kasi yung meeting namin di pa tapos.
Ano?
Good morning everyone! We booked our tour. So, pupunta kami ng iba't ibang places. Ayan, nakapag-ayos na kami. Hindi ako nakakapag-vlog like getting ready. Kasi, antok na antok pa ako kanina. By the way, we are staying dito sa Palm Village. Ayan. Nasa Royal Palm kami. And, ito yung beach. Ayan. Hindi siya malinis since kakabagyo lang and ayun, kaya madaming basura dito. It's already 6:17 pala and yung tour guide namin, susunduin kami here around 6:30 to 7 and whole day on. Marami kaming pupuntahan, so ayun. See you later! Hello everyone! Nasa labas na raw yung aming driver. Ayun. Good morning, Siquijor! First stop is itong Pitogo Cliff. Ayan. Wow, ang ganda dito, guys. Ayan.
Umayos ka, te. Halalaga tayo kay mami mo.
Okay, ma'am, ready? 3, 2, 1, rolling. Right side po, ma'am, galing drone. Right, ma'am.
Been MIA. I can make it up to you right now. What you say, you should know. I see more life when I'm with you. Time after time, I feel like when I'm with you, everything stops for a moment, but only for a moment. So I could take this time to enjoy my view. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see more life when I'm with you. Don't be frowning, baby. You know I love you time and time again. Yeah. I've been trying lately, but I'm not perfect. I've been searching, then you came into my life. So
Next destination, Balete Tree. May entrance fee ulit na 20 pesos. Mga fish. Ito yung Balete Tree and it's around 300 to 400 years old na. Yan, marami ditong souvenir shop na nasa labas. Later, mag-check tayo. Para may pampasulubong tayo sa pamilya natin. Yan, meron din dito guys na, ano ba to, fish pond? Pero pwede mong ilubog yung paa mo. Lalaki ng isda. Nakakatakot naman.
3, 2, 1 more, 1, 2, 3. Ito pa.
You will order mango shake. Dito lang sa Balete Tree. Sa may Balete Tree. Wala pang ibang tao guys. Actually, kami lang. Bili ako guys ng ref magnet. Dahil yun ang sabi ni Dad. Ano kaya maganda?
Nala mo sa butang ang naghalin. Kasi mga kwarta na siya ibutang money charm.
Ito, church na lang kayo. Tapos, ito maganda siya. Ito cute lang. Ito na po yung nabili ko. Nabili namin. Napasalubong. Umabot ko na guys ng 900 plus. Tama ba yun?
Hindi yun tama.
We are off to our next destination. Next destination is Hapitanan.
Para bang nag-aantay sa
Buhat, yan. Okay. 1, 2, 3 talon. Ang galing. Isa pa.
Walang entrance fee dito guys. Pero pwede kang magbigay ng money here sa donation box nila. Ayan. Eto. Ayan, may papel. Our next destination is itong Lazi Church. I think itong nasa kabila is yung Lazi Convent. So we are inside the Lazi Convent. Ito, this is what it looks like. Ayan. Medyo nakakatakot din na part. Look at the view guys. Wow. So if you are planning to visit Siquijor, mas for me lang maganda din na mag-hire kayo ng may drone para 'di ba sulit yung view. By the way guys, my dress is from Yes Style. Diba? Matagal na pinadala sa akin pero ngayon ko lang nasuot. Ito pa guys.
Okay, lingon-lingon. Salikot. There you go. Continue.
We are here sa man-made forest, I guess.
There you go.
Ganda dito. Buti walang ibang tao.
Diretso lang.
What are you
Stop.
thinking now? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I don't want nothing else. What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I don't want nothing else. I don't want nothing else.
Ganda ng beach dito. Ang linis. Ganda ng car. Where are we? May entrance fee kasi
But I say I love you. 'Cause the time is stands still when I'm with you. Everything inside feels really new. Try to slow it down, but it doesn't work. Race until the altar, get there first. My heart it can't stop when the feeling hits. Hang the future on your kiss. Put your head in mine, and I know it's true. I close my head and you say I love you too.
This is the reality. Sobrang init, guys. Yan. Thank you, Lord, for the sun. Pinagdasal talaga namin na wag na umulan. Siyempre. Summer pa din kahit July na. Water na malamig. Mineral water na malamig. Ano kuya delicacy niya dito? Mga pagpasalubong.
Wala, ano lang ma'am.
Na food ba?
Yung tokta lang na
Ano yun?
nilulot sa pagod.
Ano lang?
Like, parang siyang mamon.
Ah. Ano? We are in Cambogahay Falls, you guys. And merong entrance fee ng 50, right?
Yes.
Also, kumuha rin kami ng guide. 135 steps to right. Diyos ko po. Ayan. Panoorin nyo kami guys, mahirap. Dapat pala. pala ditong souvenirs. Something. Let's go. Tama. Nahiya si Kuya.
And breathing all around country air. We were made for this, to be way out here. Our young bodies are strong and they will survive.
Hello everyone, kakatapos lang nung tour namin and umuwi na kami sa aming accommodation and ito na yung beachfront namin. It's better compared sa kahapon and ganun talaga, may mga I guess, and may mga ibang dumi. Pero ang ganda ng sunset guys and daming dogs here which I like. And bilis mo na yung aso ko. Balot na balot.
Kakulay mo yung sun.
Accommodation din to eh. I got chicken cordon bleu and you got grilled pork. And then I have here mango shake.
What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, don't know nothing else. What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, don't know nothing else. Don't know nothing else.
Ako, hindi. Ang bait ko nga nung college. Yun yan. Dito ngayon.
Good morning guys. So tapos na kami mag-breakfast and may mga tira kaming food.
Hindi siya actually tira.
Hindi siya tira. Ano siya?
I mean tira, pero hindi yung tira-tira.
Hindi na namin na ubos. May mga dogs kasi here sa beach and kawawa naman sila guys kasi wala silang food. Hanapin mo yung isang dog. Doggy! Food!
Bigyan natin dun sa pusa.
Sige. Dito ba?
Sa baba.
Good morning, friends. We are going sa Swakihan Guest House. And we're gonna eat our lunch there. Nagpa-reserve kami ng table and then food. Init. We are here, guys. It's just 2 minutes away from our accommodation. Ayan. We are back, guys. Dito sa Paliton. Parang kami lang yung turista. Ayan. Pauwi na kami, guys. Where we're gonna eat now. Bye, Bye Village. Bye, Sikihor. Nakataas pa ako, guys, kasi may cabin. Takot. Balik ata ka sa akin. Ikaw may ilan ano sa kabila. Here, guys, Port of Sikihor. Ito, ang ganda dito. This is what the Port of Sikihor looks like. And it's already 11 a.m. Naghahanap kami ng mapag-iiwanan ng maleta namin, guys, pero unfortunately, bawal mag-iwan ng maleta. Hello everyone, kakagaling lang namin dito sa National Museum. And of course, sa museum bawal mag-video, so hindi ako nakapag-vlog doon. And now we're heading to St. Catherine Alexandria Cathedral. Known church din siya dito before we head to the airport. May mass. This is it, guys. We are living Cross Oriental. Goodbye, Dumaguete! Bye! See you soon. We will definitely go back here together with our family. It's already 11 p.m. and nagdi-dinner pa lang kami since medyo delay yung flight namin from Dumaguete to Manila. So late rin kami nakarating dito. Merong balcony dito pero gabi na. So hindi nyo makikita yung view. But tomorrow papakita ko na lang. Good morning, guys. Andito kami sa Monarch Park Suites. May pool dito tapos may pool din doon. Doon kami nakastay. Dito ang park. Hi everyone! Today is my flight na going back to Bicol. Ang ganda ng view dito, guys. Look. My flight is at 4 p.m. pa naman. Already 12 pa lang, I guess, or 11. So, yun. I wasn't able to give you a room tour, pero ito yung aming balcony. This is our bed. And, magulo na. Kitchen, ayan. And then, my mini salad there. That's me. Bye, Manila. Bye. May view pa pala dito. Oh, pak, ganda. We made it here, guys. Hirap mag-hindi tayo here. But we are here.